Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes Away channel. I am your host, Mark. Today we are unboxing from the brand of Xerjoff. This one right here from their Shooting Stars collection. This one called Cruz Del Sur 2, a hype beast within our fragrance community. This scent gets as much hate as it gets love in the community. I don't think there's too many people in the middle ground on this one. It is something I've sampled this year. It's actually one of the rare times that I've actually sampled something and then purchased it. I felt it was not bad. It's definitely not top 5. Might not even make my top 10 Xerjoffs, to be quite honest. But I finally got a bottle from Fragrance X. Now, speak of the devil, on to our sponsor of the day, FragranceX.com. I did want to take my time to thank them for Cruz Del Sur 2. And you can get a bottle of this on their site. They have tons of Xerjoffs on their site. Check out Fragrance X. Support me by utilizing my coupon code on their website. It is my channel name, Robes08, and you get 15% off of your purchase. Any purchase. Doesn't have to be this. It can be a little purchase or a mega big haul. So let's unbox it and see if my bottle reminds me of the sample I smelt months ago. If you want to see something a little more in depth, go to that video. The sampling samples videos are more in depth. I give you the dry down, I give you longevity, projection. However, it's a little sample, so it's a couple days of wearing, but I'll give you a lot more detail in this video. This video, I'm going to give you the introduction. I'm going to unbox, and that's pretty much the end of it. So let's get into it. This thing I recall was lactonic and tropical fruity. That's pretty much the gist of Cruz Del Sur 2. Some people get a lot of mango. Some people get a lot of guava in this one. I always love like fruity notes, fruity fragrances. I like to dissect them and see what other fruity aspects I get. If I recall correctly, I'm trying to remember while I'm trying to unbox this sucker. I had pineapple and I think blackcurrant in my thought process. So this is part of the Shooting Stars collection, so I guess I get a little, is that what this is? If I recall correctly, a little piece of meteorites, yeah, certificate. It's like my 6th one. I'm collecting these now. So, Cruz Del Sur 2. Yeah, the Shooting Stars collection, if you've never seen it before, it comes with a nice little plaque here. It'll tell you basically a whole bunch, it's numbered and stuff, and it comes with this, so it's kind of different from the rest of their collection. A neat little thing, I guess, that you pay a lot of money for, because you're paying money for these. So it says Shooting Stars, Cruz Del Sur 2, and it does have that orangey glow of the juice. So let's remind myself of this introduction and see if I'm still faintly impressed. I'll wear it. I'll wear it. I'll really wear this one today. Oh yeah, mango-ish. Whew. Tropical. Yeah, fruit medley. So my thoughts on Cruz Del Sur 2 haven't really changed. Heavy on the mango, guava, yes, double-headed monster. We do have other fruity tones here. You know, I'm getting that acidity from a pineapple note. I am getting a berry note, and I don't think it's in the note breakdown, which is blackcurrant. I'm getting a little bit of that. It has some greenness, but it also has some purple colors here, but very much a tropical fruit blend with a lactonic backbone. And that's pretty much like 90% of the fragrance review. There's a little bit of a peachy vibe here from an osmanthus note. I know that Xerjoff says just like plain, like I think it's like floral notes or something like that in their note breakdown. So they don't even tell us which florals in here. I'm getting a little bit of that osmanthus and some violets. The osmanthus is giving me that peachy vibe. So another fruit. There's apple blossom in here as well. That gives like a familiar honeysuckle. I actually really like that piece of this puzzle, I guess. It has a mild apple note. So again, I'm naming off pineapple, guava, mango. We got some apple, mild apple, and then of course we got a peachy vibe from the osmanthus, or an apricot-like vibe. That is actually quite big in this fragrance. And it has, like I said, the lactonic quality kind of gives it like a sorbet-like appeal. It has a whipped appeal. It's almost like a fruit, yeah, like a milky, like you could say milkshake, but I feel like more of a sorbet than anything. It does have like an orchid-like appeal more into the mid, which is vanillic. So there's another floral for you. Colors, I'm thinking pink, I'm thinking yellow, I'm thinking green, I'm thinking orange, white, among others. So it's very much a rainbow of colors. And this type of fragrance, I know a lot of women out there love this. And I could see why in the introduction. Very beautiful, fruity scent. And I know a lot of the haters out there don't like either lactonic scents, fruity scents, or they just don't think that this is authentic enough in the fruity genre. Usually when it's a medley like this, it's kind of hard to discern every single fruit, but in Cruz Del Sur, it might be because of the fault of the blending. It really, or not, maybe it's not a mistake, but it really feels like you can really pinpoint each one of these fruits. It's very easy, at least for me. Guava, mango, pineapple, apple, you know, it has a lot of those that they just stand out to me. It is very sweet, it's lactonic, it's creamy, it's tropical, it's fruity, all of the above. I prefer wearing this more, and I know a lot of people like to wear this in the summer, dead heat of the summer. I feel like the creaminess of it, I feel like it's more of a summer night, you know, going to a party or something like that, like a beach party or something, perfect. But cooler summer days, actually, than the dead heat. I'm not saying you can't wear it in the dead heat, but it has variations to it. So that's my unboxing, not a review, of Cruz Del Sur 2. Does it deserve the hate it gets? Some people, you know, respect their taste. It's not one of the best of Xerjoff personally, and again, that goes with my taste. I feel like there's better blended fragrances. Again, I don't go, when I rate fragrances, I go on build more than anything, what the nose has done, and a little bit of course, my taste. So if I like a leather-based fragrance, of course, I'm gonna steer more towards that. If it's well done, it bumps up a bit. Fruity fragrances, I like them, but this is one of those fragrances that's good, but not great, personally. My opinion. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Now that I've said all that, you know, I'm the kind of middle of the road kind of fragrance reviewer here as far as giving this one its flowers or not. But it's a good release from Xerjoff. And as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.